In this video, we're going to be going over how you can go ahead and join the All-Star Tower Defense X Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first of all, I'm going to be showing this on the Discord app on my PC. It doesn't matter if you're on a mobile device, these steps are the exact same. Once you get onto Discord, go ahead and scroll down on this left-hand sidebar until you see this little plus icon that says add server. Go ahead and click on it just like so. And then on this page right here, hit join a server. Now don't worry, you don't need the official invite in order to go ahead and join this. You simply just need to type in all-star in all lowercase with no spaces, just like this, and then hit enter. And what it's going to go ahead and do is load for just a brief second and then immediately begin loading you into the Discord server. Now you do need to go ahead and verify your account in order to actually access the Discord server, so make sure you go ahead and do that. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. It genuinely does help out our channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.